Of course I'm nervous. This is permanent makeup. I think excitement and nervousness go hand in hand. Hi, I'm Celeste, and I am getting ombre powder brows today for the first time. My brow journey has been a long one, trying to remember to keep your eyebrows as sisters or cousins, and sometimes mine don't even look related.
Hi, my name is Kat, and I'm the lead artist here at Tint Brow Studio. Ombre powder brows is a little newer to the market. It's lighter in the front, and it gradually gets darker towards the tails. This allows the brows to look super natural.
I'm very excited. I think excitement and nervousness go hand in hand.
So Celeste, what are you looking to achieve with your brows today?
I want them to be more defined and to fill them in, but I do want to keep it soft and natural for every day.
No, that sounds perfect. What I'm seeing is that you do have some sparseness towards the end. We are going to add a little bit of that pixelation just to give it that light filled in soft look, and then that'll gradually get darker towards the tails. A typical procedure can take anywhere from 2 to 3.5 hours. The reason why it's such a range for me specifically is that I'm a really particular artist. I have a really high standard for myself, and I want to make sure that I'm really happy with the work, you're extremely happy with the work, you're feeling great, I'm feeling great, and the brows come out amazing. First, we clean the skin with an alcohol prep pad. This allows the skin to be nice and hygienic. Then I'll ask my client to hold the other end of the string. I'll run this pigmented wax pencil on top, and this will allow the string to be nice and dark to create the fine lines to create the brow shape. Next, I will apply a sticker ruler on the client's forehead. This allows me to check that the brows are nice and even. I will draw my lines on. I will find the center point of the face first, and then use the string to identify where the tops and bottoms of the brows will be. Once the client approves the shape, I start with an outline. This gives me a very thin stencil to then know exactly where I need to fill in that ombre powder shading. After the skin is a little bit open, I then apply the numbing cream. We sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'll get started on one side of the face. At this point, I'll start with one pass on each brow. I start with the tail where it's darkest, and I work my way inward towards the fronts of the brows. I definitely feel like an artist. There is a science to it, but it's also important to understand how a woman likes to feel on the inside and be able to express that and work with her to achieve her desired look. All right, Celeste, I think we're all done. Are you ready to see your new brows?
Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my God, wow, I love them. You made my life so much easier.
That is what I'm here for.
So exciting. I'm obsessed.
Yeah?
Yes.
The healing process can be a little bit scary, but just know that if you trust the aftercare process, you're gonna be in great shape. I ask my clients to apply the ointment that I provide them 2 to 3 times a day until the brows have fully healed.
I was shocked, very surprised, and very pleased. I love my eyebrows. I was a little nervous. I was gonna walk out looking very extreme, like I had very bold eyebrows, but that's definitely not the case. I love them now, and I know I'll love them even more when they start to fade. And definitely a confidence booster. I'm really excited to show them off. Thanks for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here.